hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to this channel. So today we have another unboxing for you guys. This one should be quite short, sweet, and quite a few shoes actually this time around. Some of them are new in, so you guys, we will try to link these ones.
I think it's mainly new in.
Yeah,
and mainly new in. I think. Do you have any? A couple of sale items. Yeah.
Okay. And all of them are quite transitional, so you can use them coming into the autumn season. But yeah,
I think the real reason why we picked up this, because like we said, we're going to do new in and review some items that we like on the Zara website. So we picked up a few Mules. Mules are still in season. They're not going anywhere. They're probably going to be in season a year down the line, 2 years down the line. Yeah. So we picked up a few designer dupes, isn't it?
Yes.
I think Attico and Amina Muaddi. So we thought we would show it. We might style it, but then if the video is long, then we won't. Yeah. So please bear with us.
A little bit of a try on. Yeah. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. First one I want to show you guys, we've opened them up just to make it a little bit easier. Are these Mules. Now, like Mommy said at the start, Attico.
I think we will try and link this one. Sorry, Nisha.
Yeah.
Try and link it because it's new in. Yeah.
And Amina Muaddi have these really nice Mules. Now, obviously, you guys know with Mules and minimal sandals, we're always on about them. But with these, I think it's the band that is a little bit different. Usually, you'll just have a straight rectangular band, but they've sort of added a curvature in where the toes are, which I think makes your feet look a lot more flattering.
Elegant, yeah.
Yes. Another thing, well, it's more exaggerated on I'll insert a picture so that you guys can see, but the heel on the shoe, usually towards the end, it widens quite drastically.
The base is a bit wider, yeah.
To add a little bit more exaggeration.
However, hang on the Attico one, it's a stuck heel and it actually flares out. It's like a very chunky one. So, I mean, the Amina Muaddi starts slimmer and then widens as it gets to the base. But then the Attico one starts chunky and then it widens as well. Yeah.
So, I think, actually, I haven't looked at the Attico one properly, but these ones I'm very, very happy with, like the Amina Muaddi dupes. The size is a size 6, and we got it in this really nice, just plain nude color. Which work with a lot, and for special occasions, the color really works.
I think Mango did something similar last year or 2 years ago, and then it just sold out. It just went like
really
hotcake. Yeah.
So this especially,
even these ones,
the Zara ones,
they're out of stock. The only size left right now is a size 4. But I'm watching it because unfortunately when we picked up the 6 fits Nisha perfectly, but because I'm a 6.5 and with long toes, it's just a tad smaller. Yeah,
understand.
So tad small, so a 7 would be good for me.
One thing I will say as well is that the 7 could be good because for me on the band it is slightly
I was just gonna say that. So if my foot is very thin and narrow and so I can get away with it, but then if you have a bit of flesh or meat to your feet, you will struggle. The band is very narrow and tight. So you can go a size up if you're trying to.
So yeah, with these shoes, guys, just bear all of that in mind. We got them in we got them at full price, sorry, because it's new in.
Yeah,
$49.99.
I was waiting around to get a sale, but Nah, it just went
because
out.
It's so popular and it's come at the same time as the designers. It's almost like people are trying to get their dupes now. It has padding as well, which
it's comfortable. The heel is comfortable. Yeah,
easy to walk in as well. So yeah, very happy with these. These are leather though, so if you feel like okay for $49.99 you don't mind, then definitely go for it. But hopefully at a point, we'll see if they go down. We'll see. To be honest. So that first colour, we got it in the nude. Next colour that Mummy got as well was this deep purple, almost like a violet.
Violet, yeah.
It's very, very rich. Really, really like it. And again, a suitable colour for autumn that is coming up. If you want a block colour and stuff.
It's one of the colours for this season. Green and then purple.
So yeah, really nice deep, and yeah, exactly the same price, same size that we got it in. So yes, hopefully you guys will see them on as well.
It comes in 3 colorways, like what was it again? The nude, this purple, and then the green one.
Yeah, which I will show you guys now. So this is the green. I think it's my favorite color out of all the 3 personally.
And that's the one that sold out first.
Yeah, rightly so. It's like a forest green, really also deep and rich, and again for autumn. A
little bit darker than the summer green, the Kelly green that was going around everywhere.
It's darker.
This is darker, so it's a good color for autumn winter.
So, yeah.
You know,
so it's just these 3 colors, yeah?
Just 3 colors.
So these are the 3 colors that were on show. So yeah, all in all, very, very happy with these. But yeah, if I had to, which is your favorite color, would you say?
I can't choose.
You can't choose.
I like the shoes, so I can't choose.
Really?
I have to be honest. I might go with purple because at one point in time, purple was my favorite color, but it changed. It changed.
So yeah, there you guys have it, new in. So obviously, like Mommy said, they're going in and out of stock. So depending on how stock's looking, can I get through. Next, we've got some packages with some items of clothing. First one is in this, and it's just another pair of shorts, but in this really nice antique gold, which again is a very nice autumnal color. Don't know how it translates on camera, but it's very, very nice. Gives me
one of the trends for this winter, autumn winter, is sequins and shimmer.
Really?
Yeah, sequins and
this
shimmer.
Should be interesting.
Yeah,
because none of those two
glitter,
are really
shimmer, embellishment, all those things.
All of those things, right? They're never really my style, so I'm willing to give it a try.
This is a cohort. It came with like a hooded tracksuit top.
Oh, of the same color.
Gold and beige or off-white for the top and the buttons. But I've been eyeing this for a while. It was around £9. I thought I was going to pick it up for £9. So I waited till it came to $5.99. And then I picked it up. But when I picked it, I wanted to pick it up in your size, but your size wasn't available. But I thought because it's like a cinched in, it's got gathers and a drawstring.
Yes.
I could just pull it, and then I'll get. If you look at shorts that are in, they are very wide and huge. They are not like tight to the skin. So I thought, okay, if I can cinch the waist in, then it will give me that silhouette without having to go and buy a specific.
So yeah, the fabrics and everything. Let me see the fabrics in it. It just feels really nice, soft, and it's well lined. So even in autumn, you're covered. It is 67% viscous, which I understand. 18% polyamide and 15% polyester.
Okay.
So, yeah. Majority.
Not bad. We would prefer if everything was
viscous.
But not bad.
Yeah, and there are pockets, on the sides. So yeah, a really nice transitional piece as well.
This you can style it this Christmas to go to parties,
New Year's parties, all of that stuff.
Yeah, friends. Yeah.
So, all in all, a very good, very, very, very good purchase. Next one, I'm going to show you guys. It's more leaning towards autumn and winter specifically. And it's this one. I really, really love this dress.
Yeah, this one came from the sales section, so the link is not available at all.
But the thickness already has sold me. Really nice, deep, dark charcoal grey. We got it in a medium. And yeah, I think it's just a nice knitwear dress to have. In terms of length, it's like shin.
It looks like a midi.
Yeah, it's like a midi dress. Slightly fitted, not too tight, but still does the job. With a pair of boots, I just feel like makes all the sense in the world.
Yeah, that would bang.
Yeah.
With a pair of white boots, black boots.
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing.
One thing I'm looking forward to doing is I'm going to find myself a white boot and then customize it into like a chartreuse color. Because I've seen very colorful. Yeah.
Oh, that sounds
very
nice.
Colorful. But they are knife boots.
Oh, okay.
They were not chunky boots, but I want to do the chunky ones and see how it turns out. So something like that with this will bang, because the vest thing again hasn't gone anywhere.
Yes,
it's still here. So
yeah, different ways you can put like a collarless shirt underneath it.
Or wear it without.
Sweater on top. Wear it by itself. I just think it's going to be so versatile.
Wear it with oversized blazers.
All of that jazz. So yeah, I even wanted this in a few colors, so I might be getting a few more. But yeah, all in all, I really like this one.
Zara normally does things like this, so you always find
them
on their website, even if not this particular one.
And it doesn't feel like something that's gonna bubble quite easily. I don't know how to explain, but yeah.
Zara knitwear, that one, I think for me is the best.
H&M a bit.
Yeah, it's the best amongst most of the high streets. I don't think I've tried Mango's knitwear yet. I've tried their dresses and shoes and bags, but I don't think I've done their knitwear. Some people say they're good. Well, people say Arcade is the best.
Yeah, top tier when it comes to alrighty, next package we have for you guys. This one feels like it's got quite a bit, so I'm excited for this one. In this package. Alrighty. So first and foremost, we have this.
Already, I'm feeling the trousers with the Mules.
So what with the which one?
Yeah,
the
take
green.
the green, even the purple, both.
Even the purple.
Because they're all jewel tones.
Right. Yeah. So
they're jewel tones, so it works very.
Hold on, let me see if I can hold it even better.
Well, with that trousers, with a white shirt, with a black shirt.
Black shirt. So we've got the green and the purple. It wants to.
Yeah, that's very nice.
They work so nicely together. The tones are right. But we have this rust pair of like loungewear, wide leg bottoms, and it has a sort of satin finish. I know it's not satin, but the finish is a bit new. The length,
you can check. Trousers. You can check the fabric mix.
Yeah, I like the idea that it's drawstring. It's just easy.
You know what I was gonna say? A few years ago, if you wore something like this, you were a grandma. With elasticated trousers, it was like nobody wanted to
like
be
fastened.
Yeah, with your bell holes and everything, and with a belt, and you know. But now,
especially after COVID.
Yeah, and I'm thinking that why
is fashion like that?
Yeah, why? No, even that. Why did we go back to the tailored, stiff kind of
trousers?
It has its place and it gives you a look, but I think for functionality and for everyday purposes,
the fluid. Sorry, let me just show you guys the tag with the size. We've got it in a medium, so this should be fun. The fabrics in it are, I'm seeing polyester loud and clear, 97% polyester and 3% elastane.
Oh, please, Zara.
Wow. So,
I'm just going to gas them because I thought they've done a good job, but the fabric is not the best.
In the back, they've gone for that one pocket, which looks cool. Even the drawstring, I like the way they've done it. They haven't put the pins on the end like sportswear. They've tried to still keep it quite.
They are trying to give you an athleisure look without it looking too sporty, if that makes sense.
Okay. Hear that. And on the sides, you've just got your regular pockets, but just the color alone and everything like that is very, very good for autumn. It feels durable. I mean, you can't really go wrong with these. And with the colors that we showed you, it works with quite a few. So, yeah, very, very happy with these trousers. And the next one, which is very interesting, are these drawstring jeans, actually, which I've never ever seen before. Never ever.
They are like a jean and a
chino, yeah, sort of fabric,
but in a jogging
bottoms.
Oh, Zara does the most, huh?
Yeah, it's like they think outside the box, which is why I like them so much. So we've got it in sort of like a pastel muddy
like
pink.
A blush pink.
Blush pink is the best place to put it. And I can see drawstring. This one they've gone for the sporty one because this is more of a casual look anyway with the fabric they've used. And it's a wide leg.
But I still would want to wear something like this to an office, depending on the office.
For me, I think styling is everything. Yeah. Like even though if something portrays itself casual, you can style it in a way to make it suitable for another form of event. But yeah, the pockets as And at the back, this one actually has no pockets in the back. So yeah, there you have
From
it.
a distance, it looks like you're wearing like a wide leg jogging bottoms. You know that.
Really?
From a distance, even
Like
on
in
the camera, yeah.
Right. But then anyone who comes with the blouse.
It's not that good.
So yeah, yeah, the size, I don't know if I showed you guys, medium, same as the one before. Were these really going out of stock or not so much?
This one on the sale.
Okay.
This one on the sale.
Yeah,
So I like the look of it, but I thought, okay, the color would it work on your, you know,
my skin tone.
your skin tone? But I thought, let me pick it anyway, because it was just $5.99 or something like that.
So yeah, I think another thing, yeah, these are colored trousers aren't things that people actually really look out for or often buy. But you can come to find out they can be styled in more ways. Because it's colored, people are like, oh no, I have to wear white and black. But
a lot of people are scared or are not too keen on colored pieces, because almost like people like the neutrals, the beiges, and people like to be
versatile.
Yeah,
but
the monochromes. And I guess I mean, I understand if you don't have a darker skin tone, it's very hard to work with colors.
Oh really?
Oh yeah. If
like
you're pale.
If you're pale, oh
yeah.
okay,
If you're pale,
okay.
If you're pale, because the thing with styling is that when you wear an outfit, we should see you before we see the outfit. If we see the outfit before we see you, there's something wrong with your outfit.
Oh, okay, interesting.
Yeah. So for most pale skin, if they're wearing a very garish in your face color, when you see them, the first thing, they get lost in the outfit.
Interesting.
That's why, yeah.
You know something every day. Yeah. So guys, just don't be scared of these things. But yeah, also do consider skin tone and things like that, because you want to look your best.
But even within skin tones, the good thing about color is that one color has a range.
Yes, they're hues.
The hues of it, the shades of it. So somebody say, "Oh, I'm light skinned, so I can't wear yellow." I promise you, there is a yellow that will suit your color skin. So, just I mean, look for it, or you know, watch somebody who's closer to your color skin, and you see what they're doing, and hopefully that can help you.
Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that and our little, you know, tips and tricks at the end. Yes, like we said, go onto their site and hopefully you see some of these things. We'll link some of them down below, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you in the next one if it fits.
Feel free, have fun styling it.
Bye guys.
Bye. God bless you.